Hi and welcome. This is Jacob. We're gonna have some fun today and create some jewelry design. I will not do this exactly, but I will do the same principles and the same concepts. Do a ladder in 3 dimension and use this cage to extrude and cut to get some fun features. And I think it's fun that you can do this is a beginner tutorial for beginners, and I think you should have fun when you learn a new CAD system. So we click away, close the data panel and go to new design. Here we have a new brand design and we can save it to L Jewelry. Save. Yeah, we will have a character L, so we click here, create sketch, and we click on a plane from the side, and we can use the line tools. Go to the middle and use the snapping function. Click and use the mouse wheel to zoom out and just click and use the auto constraint. There we have a L. Now then you use the D button. You can use some dimension. We can 20 and we can take and drag it something like that, and we take 20 here, and we take the dimension here, 80. There we have the L from the side, and we stop the sketch and extrude it, and extrude it 20. Then we have this L, this 3-dimensional L, and we go to the top and create a sketch. Use the offset tools and drag it inwards. And I think 2 millimeters is great. Then we stop the sketch and we take the extrude and extrude it inwards like that. The dimension is not very important. It is designing a jewelry, and we want to have some kind of, we will not use the profile plane, we will have offset plane and take to them in the other direction, so use the minus sign. Yeah, that will be great. Now we have this, it is hollow, so you can't see it, but we will take this side and create a new sketch and use the 2-point rectangle, use the snapping function, but we can take it somewhere downwards. We don't use the snapping function. We take and do a rectangle like that one, and we take snapping function from there, 2 lines, and stop sketch and pick, and with control button we pick the both of them and extrude. Now we want to cut. We can take distance, or we can take 4 millimeters and cut. That's some nice future, and we want it the same on the other side. Then we can use mirror. First we go to construct and take a mid-plane, pick this side and the other side. Then we have a plane in the middle. Then we go to create mirror, and we want to pick the futures, and it will be that future. And the mirror plane is that one. Okay. And we have exactly same on the other side. We can go to construction and hide the extra plane. Now we have symmetrical. We can do something nice on the back side of L. Create a sketch. And we take the middle. We change it here. We take the rectangle, center rectangle, and we go to the middle when you have the triangle and use the snapping function. Something like this, I guess. Stop sketch and take cut -4 millimeters. And we have a nice cut on that side. If you want to upload it to Shapeways to 3D print it, you can do it, but then you should have not too much materials because it costs more. So I think we take a front side and create a sketch. And do something like this. Stop sketch and pick. We can actually just pick it there, and we take -4 millimeters, cut. Then we have a nice little cage for the L, and we have something to put the chain for our pendant. I think we are finished with the cage. Now we can do some nice cutouts. So we put the side, and then we drag some just do some sketching with rectangle and stop sketch, and we take the extrude and just pick this and cut and flip. We take all and just drag it. Okay, not enough. It looks really funny. So I guess this is just a beginner tutorial when you learn how to create a third-dimensional letters character of the letter L. And you can pick the chain from there and you can upload it to Shapeways. And this is just something easy you can do in Fusion 360. Hope you enjoy the tutorial, and if you want to see renderings you have to visit my blog post. There I will post some images of this rendering in some different materials. Thank you for watching and listening. Bye bye.